If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. Line items are simply the various types of items you create within the item list for use within the line item areas in your purchase and sales forms. Since you will want to use the same item to track income for legal services provided, as well as expenses for payments to partners, you will set up the items as double-sided services within the item list in QuickBooks. A double-sided service is simply a service item you create that can be used to track income when used in sales forms, and also track expense when used to pay the partners in the firm for their billable hours. The vast majority of your legal services provided will be set up as double-sided services for ease of use within QuickBooks. This allows you to use timesheets to record the hours a partner spends performing the service. You can then use these recorded timesheet hours to invoice the client and also pay the partners for the services rendered if the partners are paid an hourly rate for billable hours. To create the items, first open the item list in QuickBooks by selecting Lists, Item List from the menu bar. If you need assistance in creating reimbursable service items, please review the lesson titled Setting Up Inventory in Chapter 5 and Service Items in Chapter 6 of this tutorial. When creating double-sided services, you must check the This service is used in assemblies or is performed by a subcontractor or partner checkbox to display both the purchase information and sales information sections within the new item window. Then select the desired partner drawing equity account for the expense account side of the item, and select the desired legal fee income account for the income account side of the item. Also, if you pay partners based on billable hours, be sure to enter the billable rate for the partner into the cost field, and also be sure to set up separate billable rate items for each partner. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.